Welcome to the analysis world. In this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel for your data validation and sensitivity analytical models, just like this one. You can see there are multiple drop-down lists, and if I change anything, the model responses as well. So in order to create a drop-down list, you need to have a list of values for which you want to see the drop-down. You can see I have created three different lists for which I want to see three different drop-downs in different points. So in order to create a drop-down list, first you need to select a cell where you want to see the drop-down. I want to see a drop down list here in starting points, and I want these values here as a drop down list. So in order to create it, first select this cell, then go to the data tab. From the data tab, select data tools. From data tools, select data validation. From data validation, select lists and click on source. From the source, select the list of values which you want to see as a drop down and click OK. This will generate the drop down list. You can see the drop down list is already created here. So this is how you can create a single drop down list. If you want to create a multiple drop down list of the same data list, like for example, I want the same drop down list for these three cells at the same time. So you can do this by selecting all these cells together and go to the data tab. Do the same thing, data validation, select list, source. I want this list of values now as a drop down list for those three selected cells, and I will click OK. You can see that now the same drop down list was created in the three different cells or outcomes of the model at the same time. So this is how you can create drop down list or list in Excel. And if you want to clear the drop down list which has been a error, or you don't need it anymore, you can just select that cell from which you want to erase the drop down and go to the data tab, data tools, same thing all over again, data validation, and now clear all. Select the clear all and click OK. This will remove that drop down list from that particular cell. And if you want to remove multiple drop down list with the same drop down values, you can just select those. I have selected these two cells with the same drop down list, and I can do the same thing all over again, data validation, list, and clear all, and click OK. This will remove the both of the data list drop down list together. So this is how you can add or delete a drop down list, single or multiple drop down lists at the same time in a analytical sensitivity model or your analysis. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.